Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the 5th gen Camaro SS and why you definitely should have one in your life. This is Costantino Garage. Alright guys, have you ever seen a 5th gen driving down the street and you don't own one and you're wondering, should I buy one of those bad boys? Well, I'm here to answer that question for you. It is yes. You should definitely buy a 5th gen. They have so many awesome things to give you, and I'm going to explain to those right now. Alright guys, so the first reason why I would probably want to buy a 5th gen is check out the styling. Front end and the rear end of this car mimics the old 60s Camaros. And who doesn't like the 60s Camaros? It handles and performs like a modern day car. It's best of both worlds. So obviously the first reason is the looks, the outer appearance, the style. Who wouldn't want one? Okay, next reason, let's check out the interior. The interior in this thing is comfortable, badass looking, sleek. Let's check it out. Check out the cockpit, guys. It's got the nostalgic looking gauges, which are really awesome. Even mimics the 69 Camaros. And even down here, it has the little gauge cluster inside the center console, which mimics the 60s cars as well. And of course, this one has the 6-speed, which makes driving that much more fun. Embroidered SS emblems on the headrest, all leather. Super clean. And of course, you can get aftermarket floor mats like I got. Even this is factory. Really cool. Also, when you turn the car on and everything, there's little inlaid lights that comes factory, so they have a little bit of glow on both sides. Really awesome. Interior on this thing, awesome. Seats are comfortable. They're heated. They're power. I mean, it's like the most luxurious muscle car. Awesome. So we talked about the outside, talked about the inside. Let's talk about the part that really matters, right? Drivetrain, motor, power. So underneath this hood, you got over 425 horsepower of LS3 action. Now the manual's got the LS3, automatic's got the L99. It's roughly the same. The LS3 has a little bit more power and more desirable, I think. But let's pop the hood and show you the goods. Now under my hood, it's got the LS3. It's mostly factory. We just got the RotoFab cold air intake, which it looks like I need to clean the filter, getting a little dirty. But other than that, everything's factory apart as under the hood goes. I do have aftermarket exhaust and etc. But the other great thing about these cars is factory. You get about 400-425 horse with a simple cam change. Maybe you want to upgrade the lifters, intake. Maybe $3,000 worth of mods, you'll be at 500 or more. It's that easy to get over 500 horsepower in these things. Just a couple grand, a couple parts, a couple upgrades to the engine, and you're already at 500. And then of course you get that nice, choppy, cammed out idle, which everyone loves. Do I need to keep twisting your arm on buying a car? All right, let's keep going further. How about you're able to lower your car with just some springs, very low budget. I think I lowered mine for like 250 bucks, front and back springs. And on top of that, you could put a 20 by 11 inch wheel in the back, fitting 315 tires. And guess what? It doesn't rub. It fits perfectly. A lot of cars, when you try to fit a super wide rim and tire, you gotta do modifications, you gotta do suspension upgrades, you gotta flare the fenders, yada. This, direct bolt on. Fits and looks great. How can you not love that? And also, check out these big, huge aftermarket brakes you get on this thing. Nope, that's another shocker. These are factory brakes with just a facelift paint job. These cars do come factory with Brembo brakes. But I, of course, painted them red and put in a new Brembo sticker to make them look a little more stylish. But once again, that's all factory. Huge discs, huge calipers, front and back, which once again looks awesome, and they stop on the dime. Very well controlled vehicle for brakes, suspension, stance, The car is heavy, but I think that makes it feel a little bit more stable than say a lighter car. I don't know, I'm just rambling. One downfall, and I don't think people buy these cars to hold passengers, but unlike any sports car, that's a coupe, two-door, Challenger or Camaro or Mustang, you ain't gonna be using the back seat. Yeah, there is literally no, I got a couple things back here, but there is literally no room for anyone to sit back there because, you know, I'm over 6 foot tall and I have the seat pretty much all the way back. Yeah, ain't no one riding with me in the back seat. You only get shotgun. If you're looking for a 5th gen, thinking about buying one, do it. These cars are awesome. Tons of power, responsive, handles great. You got a 6-speed. If you're into that, I'm into that. Of course, if you want to go really fast, stick isn't always the option, but I daily mine and I love just, you know, going through the gears. How about the trunk? We got a sports car with a trunk. Sure, the opening is not that big, but look at the inside opening. Tons of space. Could even fit golf clubs in there and a bunch of other random crap I got in here. But that surprised me. Camaros usually don't have the best of trunks. This thing's got massive trunk space. If you want to modify any part of this car, there's so many parts available, and they're not priced outrageous. Of course, you know, there are some that do get up there if you want to go crazy in the performance level. But the average Joe that just wants to do, like, you know, coilovers and cam and hood, wheels, you know, etc. Dude, they're all not too badly priced. They're out there, they're available, even now during these rough COVID times. But that's it. That's my reasons on why you should get a 5th gen. Thinking about a 5th gen, do it, get it. I love mine. I drive it every day. Awesome. Thanks guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more upcoming videos. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.